Hey everybody, it's Jess here at Summit RV in Ashland, Kentucky. Let's take a look at the Coachmen Freedom Express Ultra Lite. This is the 279Rlds. This is a fiberglass unit with a molded fiberglass front cap with LED lighting. We have LED lighting in your front pass-through storage compartment here with an outside table that you can set up. This unit does have automatic stabilizer jacks. On the tires, you can see that we have easy lube axles with a spread axle design for more stability, and these are aluminum wheels, and it does come with a spare tire. At the rear, we see this really large picture window. We have an outside shower here and a detachable power cord. This unit comes standard with a black tank flush, and it is winterized ready. It also comes standard with a power tongue jack, a power awning with LED lighting, and outside marine grade speakers. Let's step inside here and we'll check out the inside as well. The first thing that you're going to notice is that this unit is incredibly spacious for its size because of the floor layout. We have an entertainment center with storage and a Bluetooth ready stereo system with DVD. Storage above the couch, and as you can see, this couch is already in bed mode. So you can see that an adult could sleep there, a couple children. Now we're going to put the couch up. You can see how easy it is, how quickly we can put this in sitting mode. And you can see it has cup holders, and each cup holder has an LED light with a USB port to charge your phone. And all of this is located in a very convenient location right across from the entertainment center, so you can easily, comfortably watch TV and interact with whoever's in the kitchen or sitting at the dinette. Throughout this RV, there are special lights for night lights underneath the dinette, as well as in the overhead cabinetry. We do have some storage here with an extra countertop beside the dinette, and storage underneath the dinette seats as well, with doors to access those so you don't have to remove cushions. In the kitchen, we are going to see a stone cast sink with sink covers. In this case, it's a single basin with one large cutting board cover. We have a silverware drawer right under the sink. We have the brand new Furrion lit oven and stove with a super burner, 3-burner range. We have the microwave overhead with a vent hood. We have lots of storage overhead with beautiful glass doors with blue accents. This is a 6 cubic 2-door refrigerator. 6 cubic foot 2-door refrigerator. As we head back into the bedroom, you're going to notice that this is a 60 by 80 residential queen bed with plenty of room to walk around at the end as well. There's cabinets on either side and above, and there's a place to mount a flat screen TV in the bedroom. There's also USB ports right there beside the bed with the green light, as well as throughout the RV to easily charge your tablets and phones or any other electronics that you may be carrying with you. The bathroom is equipped with a towel rack, a large shower with a vanity with extra counter space with storage underneath, and a medicine cabinet above. Thanks everybody for checking out our videos, and we'll catch you next time.